Hi everybody, it's Cooking with Jenna. We are doing our shredded beef tacos. Now this is going to have to be a two-step because when I read the recipe, it says cook for 6 or 7 hours. So unless you'd like me to entertain you for 6 and 7 hours, but I don't exactly have that much time this evening, we're going to do this in 2 parts. So I'm going to show you everything that you need. Now on the recipe it says to cut the meat and do it on the stove top to brown it, but because I'm cooking overnight, I'm just going to leave the whole chuck roast together. Pop it in I've got a Ninja crock pot. You can use any crock pot that you want. But I do have all of the ingredients put together already. We have 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I did part chili powder and part ancho just to give us a little bit of spice. We've got dried oregano. I have some Penske smoked Hungarian paprika, so I feel like you can use anything. It calls for smoked paprika. Cumin powder, garlic powder, onion powder. I prefer minced onions. Salt, pepper. All of that goes together. So that's what I've got right here in my little bowl. This is your seasoning mix. The directions also call for us to save 2 teaspoons of this to put over the meat tomorrow once it's done. So I'm not gonna put all of this in. So just give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna get the meat out of the package and I'll show you once we're in the crock pot. All right, here's my 3-pound chuck roast going in. Oh, now I gotta rinse my hands off. 3 pounds of chuck roast going in. I'm gonna put the cup of broth in, and then I'm going to sprinkle over the top and then into the broth our seasoning mix. And we're gonna turn this on. Oh, one other added thing. I like to put herbs de Provence in everything. It just gives it just a little extra flavor. So again, however you wanna do it, we're just getting spices in for good flavored meat. So we're going to turn this on and check back with me in 6 to 7 hours. See y'all soon. All right, my meat is all fork shredded. I'm gonna take the 2 teaspoons of our mix that was left from yesterday and I'm gonna sprinkle this in. And then it also calls for the juice of a lime. So I have a whole lime that I have quartered, and I'm gonna get all of this juice in here. It smells amazing. If your meat is a little bit dry, you can take some of the broth that it cooked in to just help give it a little bit more juice, so to speak. I'm gonna get this all stirred up. I've got my soft taco ready and my fresh cilantro. So as soon as I get this meat stirred around with this, oh, this lime just smells wonderful. We are going to have our shredded beef street tacos. So you can see my tortilla. Get some nice meat. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. You're gonna love this. All right, a little bit of fresh cilantro on there, a little bit more lime juice, just why not? All right, let's see if it tastes as good as it smells. Mmm. That meat, mmm.
Very good flavor. Overall, a really easy dish. You just need the extra time to cook it. You could start it in the morning, have tacos available when you come home for dinner. Less than 15 minutes to prep it. It just needs the crock pot to do all the heavy lifting. Have a great month. We'll see you next month. And please do your videos, send them in and tag me and win a free gift card. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.